Can we start now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, so who is the other guy? Which this is specialization is sitting behind you?
Which one? You mean like me?
Backside. There's one more guy.
Bison.
Yeah, right side. You are right side.
You're right. This one.
Yeah.
I mean like.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you, man?
My name is Shahriar.
Okay.
I am new on IT, and now I'm going to start to learn Java backend. Java, and that's all.
Fine. So you both are in Java, and this guy Java and Android, right?
Right. Yes.
Okay. I am not good in Java and Android. Mr. Muhammad Arif is good. Okay, Arif, are you there?
Yeah, I am there.
We can go ahead.
Proceed further. Yeah, shall we proceed further? Okay, my question is, why is Java platform independent language?
What? Sorry. Can you?
Why is Java a platform independent language?
I think like Java's independent language should be.
Hey guys, we are not taking here any test. If you
Yes,
know the
yes,
answer,
it's
you
an
can answer
independent.
it. Yeah, if you know the answer, you can answer it, but don't take any other helps because we need to know where you are standing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is not a test to test your skills. We're just understanding where you are standing. That's it.
Okay.
If you know, you can answer. If you don't know, tell me not know.
Okay.
Java is an independent language because if you write the program code once and you can run it in any platform. So it is a
Actually, you can run it in any platform as much as you can.
correct. Okay. So why you are interested in Java?
Actually, I want to be a software engineer in
Okay.
Java.
Okay. Pointers. Have you heard the name pointers?
Sorry, what?
Pointers. Pointers name have you heard?
Okay.
Arif, please
We
on
use-
your video. It is a very interactive.
Just a minute.
Actually, I didn't use them yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you able
now-
to see me? Okay. Have you heard the name pointers?
Yes, yes.
We used in C and C++. But
Okay.
pointers we will not use in Java. Can you tell me why we will not use in Java pointers?
No, I don't know.
Okay. Okay. What do you know about Android application?
Android application?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm new in Java, so.
Okay. In which language we will build Android applications?
What application? Sorry.
Which language we will use to build Android application?
Android applications. Java we use in we can use in C++ with a database. And what? I think.
Okay.
I think.
Okay. What is inheritance?
Inheritance. It's when you from the one class inheriting the another. For example, be creating a main class and while creating another one, we can just inherit all the functions to the second one.
Okay. What is data encapsulation? What is data encapsulation?
Encapsulation.
Correct.
Encapsulation. Oh, I forgot. Uh,
Okay.
Sorry.
Have you heard the name JVM?
What?
JVM. JVM. What it stands for? JVM.
JVM? Don't know.
JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine.
Uh,
With the help of JVM, we can run the Android code even in Windows operating system, Linux operating system, and even in Mac. With the help of JVM only, we can run the codes. So only Java is independent language.
Okay.
Okay. And thanks for your answer.
Thank you
Okay.
too for this questions.
It's really good to have a word with you guys.
Thank you. It was good questions. Thank you so much.
Okay. Please, next guy. Next person, please.
Tanıydı, Bosporus kim aydı da Bosporus kim?
All are done? I guess all have done, right?
So yeah, we have only 2 students left, and they're saying that they want to learn Python. They want to choose the career of Python, but they don't know anything about it yet.
Which they want to learn?
Python. We have 2 students left over here, 2 students, and they want to learn Python, but they don't know anything yet.
Python or Python?
Python programming language. They want to
No, I
learn.
was hearing Python name, so for that I got confused. Okay.
Python. Yeah, 2 of them want to learn Python. 2 other guys left.
Okay. As I have mentioned in the previous questions, like I've asked one of the guy related to Python. See, if they are new for the Python, then we need to start from the basics. First, they need to learn the Python. Then only they can do the internships on that. Without having the knowledge, we can do the internships with zero knowledge. But in the internships, we will teach you what it is actual and what are the benefits of it. You will learn and you will get the projects.
Okay, see, thank you. So they need to learn, they need to know Python, yeah, basic level for internship.
Okay.
Yes.
No one has know anything once we start learning on that. Once we start learning on that, we will get to know the things, what it is actual.
See.
Okay.
So-
Who is that white T-shirt guy? He's standing.
Yeah, that's Mohudun. He wants to, yeah, he's the new one and he wants to learn Python, but zero knowledge, and he wants to learn from scratch.
Okay, Python. You know, Python is a snake. You want to learn snake?
It's like programming language to me.
Okay, so it is a very interesting conversation, you guys. I want to know, do you know what is the meaning of internship? You are completing your degree or still you are doing?
Our second year student, second year, sophomore.
All second year?
Yeah, group mates.
In second year, you have the internship?
So in Uzbekistan, yes, some students even first year and they're having internships. And some of us even had internships in the past. For example, me in summer, I have an internship.
Okay. Because in India, the internship will be the final year, last year.
But in Uzbekistan, you kind of from use you want to learn.
Okay, then still you'll be learning still 3 years, second, third, fourth, right?
Yes, I mean, yeah, 3 years. It's kind
3 years. Okay, fine. Because see, if you are good in cybersecurity, Java, Python, you are good. Okay, so you will be working under our company if you are interested. Okay, if you are really interested, you can work as internship. Okay, we will give the task job based on your expertise, which you are good in that. Okay, minimum 1 year. Okay, if you want any help from our company, so we have a lot of experts. As you know that India is very good in IT in the world, you know, right? Okay.
Yeah,
Even
we
my-
know, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So myself, I train many thousands of students all around the world. Okay. So I am very friend like your teacher, Abrar John. Okay. So now for internship means we have to remember that first thing is we should send your resume. All guys who are interested. Fine.
Okay, that's
Then you should take permission from the university.
mhm.
Okay, you should take permission from the university. From Indian company, we are doing the internship. Okay, with the following students. You can take help with Mr. Abrar John. Okay. Okay. And remember, we work very fast. Okay.
Mhm.
We are very intelligent people.
Okay, yeah. Where we know.
Okay. We make you work fast. Okay. You should not be slow. If you are
How many hours per week do you want to have internship with us? It's gonna be work. How many hours per week?
you will be working remotely because you cannot come to India due to the international flights issues. Okay, right now you can work from your home, you can go to college, you can go to university for studies. Okay, we will give every month, we will give one job for you. Okay, so based on your job you have to work accordingly. Okay. Okay, after you work for 6 months for our company as an internship, if any students, if you feel is very good in the technology or Java, cybersecurity, any technology, okay, so you will be paid some money if you are good in that. Okay, after completing your bachelor degree 4 years, inshallah, you will become the employee for our company. Fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. How many people are interested for internship with our company?
All of us, sir.
All are interested. Okay.
Me too.
Okay. So now regarding the helping from the university, so we can contact the Abrar John. So we should take the permission from the university. Okay. So you'll be working. And see, you have to be seriously, you have to work. Okay. It's not like that because we are helping you, right? We are helping you to develop your knowledge in IT. Okay. And very good advantages means you will be getting the certificate from our company. Internship certificate you will get. This is very important, right? Right. Even if you take Tashkent company certificate means it is not valued because our is international, right?
Yeah.
Fine. Do you have any questions?
What about the deadline of CVs? Should we send today CVs, and how often do you reply to CVs?
Okay. See, once if you submit your CV, okay, so I think I need the permission from your university. You should take the permission from the university.
Uh,
Okay. In that permission letter, you must have your name, your all people name. This all the university should send to us with the resume. Okay, these are the people are doing the internship, our Infotonics company.
Mhm.
Fine. Once if you are done, we will send you the email to all saying that you have been appointed as an internship for the 1 year.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then you can date of your reporting. You will be reporting to Mr. Muhammad Arif. Right? Muhammad Arif. Whatever the question you have, I think he is available. You can ask him. I will share his mobile number in WhatsApp and Telegram. Okay, you can communicate with him. If you got any big issue, okay, so you can contact me.
Mhm. Okay, you understood.
Okay, so I think you know my name. What is my name?
Tajuddin, yeah, everybody knows.
Okay. Mr. Taj. You can call me Taj. No problem. You know what is the meaning of Taj?
Crown.
Crown. No. Because I don't have. Okay. Now I want to tell you these things. Okay, regarding the cyber security, I will tell you the very important things. Cyber security is a huge demand in the world. Every country required, right? For example, if you see, okay, every country there is an army, right, to protect the country with the guns, all and that, right? You understand my English?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes, yes.
Okay. For every country to secure the people, for security, will be have the army, navy, air force, right?
Mhm.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Where is the army, navy for organization, companies, hospital, government organization? Where is the army? No army, right? Is there
No,
any-
so this army is to defend country from physical side, and they have also cyber defense department. Cyber defense kind of defense from digital side.
Now, what I'm asking, is there any army for your university?
University. Yes. We have one opportunity from third year in our university. We can go to army faculty.
You didn't understand my question.
Yeah, we have army in Uzbekistan, and it's like
No. Uzbekistan country has army. What about your university? University have the army?
You know, our university doesn't have its own army, but it has army faculty.
Okay. Your university has an army to give security for your servers, routers, switches.
We don't know about it. Senior students maybe they know, because there is some army faculty among senior students.
There is no army to secure your applications, your IT infrastructure, for your server, for your router, switches, wireless device. There is no army.
Mhm.
You have to become the army member. You have to become the soldier to protect your devices. That is cyber security.
Mhm.
Understood? That is called
Yes.
that is called ethical hacking. You know, from here I can enter your server.
Yes.
From
Right?
here.
That's right.
See, for example, if I am bad man, okay, if I enter, I will copy your all university data, your all details. It is good.
No, it's our personal.
Okay, you have to protect your organization. Right?
If so, we should stop this meeting.
Okay, this is called cyber security. This is called ethical hacking. Okay,
Yes.
this is called defensive security. Right now we'll come to the what is offensive security. Offensive security.
Yeah.
Okay.
Being the good hacker, hacking into system and
Yes.
showing the vulnerabilities.
Yes. I will share you one thing. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Now you understood what is ethical hacking, right?
Mhm.
Now we can see this is offensive. This is the
Yes,
offense. This is the offensive security,
Mm.
right? In offensive security, these are the trainings you should learn. Offensive. You know what is meaning offensive?
Yes, yes, we know the meaning.
Hmm?
Defense.
Offensive means attacking to the
Yes.
banks, attacking to the banks, taking bank money to your account, right? This is called like bad guys, bad guy. I think you know, you might heard about black hat, red hat,
Yeah,
White
gray
hat.
hat, white.
gray hat, white hat, right? This is the
Yes.
training. This is the training for, we can see, this is the training for bad guys, bad hat.
Yeah.
This is OCP. We can see offensive security.
Mhm.
So these are the courses you should be become the expert in that, right? If you want to learn like other EC counseling, like if you go for any other website, so we can see from the EC counseling, I think you might know about it. This is ultimate ethical hacking. This is nothing but to secure your infrastructure, secure your information, right?
Mhm.
And these are the courses you should learn.
Mhm.
You know what is the meaning of forensic investigation?
Yes, it's like criminal side of security, criminal side of investigation. It's like forensics.
Fantastic, fantastic. You are very good, man. Inshallah, you will become very good ethical hacker.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now tell me, what is you can see what is application security for Java?
I think the thing he does is maybe making the application, for example, it can be Android, it can be like Windows, platform-based application, and making it secure.
Okay. Good. You understood.
Yes.
So EC Counseling is the Mexican company. You know Mexico,
Yes, as we know.
downside of America, United States of America.
Yes, yes.
Even this company, this offensive security company also belongs to the Mexico. So we should know this, all this technology to learn such type of technology. We can see wireless professional, certificate professional, we can see experience in penetration test, right? Web expert, exploit development, Mac. Okay, so as we can see, I'm using the Apple Mac, Apple laptop. My laptop is Apple. Okay, we can see how to hack this and okay, and exploitation and certifications. And these people will teach you. These people will teach you to secure your organization, secure your company. You will become the army for your company. Fine. We can see a lot of, we can see these are the list of cyber security programs. These all things we are going to teach for you guys. You can see if you go, these are the list of security is not easy. We have the penetration test separately. If you go and check application security, penetration test, executive management, computer forensic, ethical hacking, network security. These are all things we are going to learn it. Fine. Is it interesting, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
very
of
interesting.
course. Curious.
Okay, fine. So let me come this thing, what I would like to tell you something. Okay. So in internship, okay, we will not pay you the salary.
Could you repeat this? We couldn't hear.
In internship, okay, so company will not pay you the salaries for you.
Okay. We got it.
Understood, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. If your performance is good after completing successfully 1 year, if you are good in technology, if you are good in that, okay, so inshallah we'll pay you some minimum salary, some packages depending upon your expertise. Understood?
Okay, yeah, understood.
Okay, any questions from your side?
No questions.
No questions?
No.
No questions.
No questions. Mr. Abrarjan, are you there?
Yeah, I am here.
Okay, so your student is very interesting student.
Benim İngilizcem yaxshi emas bo'ldi. Chunki o'zim qatnashmaylar. So'zini yordam
Ne bolalar yaxshi. Standartni yo'qolib qo'ydi.
bo'ldimi? Buni tugatib qo'yaylik, buni tugatib qo'yaylik. Mana debdi menga hozir.
Abrarjan, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. How many students are there in your university for computer science or IT?
More than 1,000.
More than 3,000 or 4,000.
Oh, only for IT, computer science.
It's 4,000. More than 4,000 students study IT.
More than 4,000. Okay.
Haligi computer engineering, program engineering bo'yicha fakultetlar aytadimi?
We have computer engineering and information security faculty, and I think we have more than 1,000 students in this faculty.
Okay, fine. Abrarjan, okay.
Yeah.
How many people are interested for internship? Okay, I want the permission from the university because for our company is needed. You have to help your student, okay, for to take internship in our company. You understood?
Yeah. Understand.
Okay, so I want the universities people to send me the official email saying that this are any number of students. Right now, 5 or 6 people are interested, right?
Okay.
How many are them interested?
Now 6 people.
Okay, fine. So now 6 people, you should take the permissions from your HOD, head of the department, saying that you are taking the internship. Abrarjan, you can help to your students to send an email to me and Mr.
Okay.
Muhammad Arif. Okay,
Mhm.
saying that these are the students. They are looking for the internship in our company. Send with along with the CV.
Okay.
Okay, so
They are can they are use my CV?
okay, so you just help them how to send the CV, how to prepare the CV.
Okay.
Okay, so
I have the
any questions, guys? Any questions?
No questions, we understood.
Hmm.
Hangisini mi? Ne dedim? Türkçesini mi? Türkçesini ben ne dedim? WhatsApp orqali menga yozib yuborsin.
Mr. Tajuddin, could you please send message on WhatsApp to Aurora, okay?
Hmm.
Pochtasini.
The email, we need the email of Mr. Arif, and could you please send it through WhatsApp to Abrarjan Tukunov?
Yeah, I will send you. I will send you that. I will send you right away. I will
Okay.
send you to Abror John right now to Muhammad Arif. I think
And I send you my
I send
all
you, I
students
send
email.
okay. Then anything else next? Abror John, you can check your WhatsApp. I have sent you the Muhammad Arif email address.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions?
CV jo'natadi.
Thank you. Yaxshi suhbat uchun rahmat.
Yes, thank you very much for conversation. It was really interesting. Learned so much. Thank you so much. We are looking to meeting you in Tashkent.
Inshallah, definitely we will meet you in the Tashkent. We'll meet your, especially your teacher, amazing teacher, Mr. Abror John. Okay, I am very eager to come to your country, inshallah.
You will make a cook a palo.
Yeah, you will cook palo for us. Palo, Osh.
Okay, then.
Thanks so much, Mr. Taj.
Okay, so can we close the meeting? So inshallah, we'll see you. Okay, as per today's discussions, please send me your CVs, and we need the permission letter from the university saying that you are taking internship in Indian company. Okay, then we'll send you the details about your job role of your this thing 1 year. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now no other questions, guys? No questions?
No questions.
Good. So all are Muslims or anybody Christian?
Yes.
All are Muslim?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Inshallah. Good. Very good. Inshallah, we'll do prayer in Tashkent in big mosque, right? Which is the mosque, Abror John, in Tashkent? That photo you have sent me.
Yeah. Much takiler.
Abror John,
Ok Masjid. In Uzbek, it's called Ok Masjid in White Mosque. It's near our Tashkent Tower, near to Tashkent Tower in Yunusobod district. We'll be your guide, guiding you.
Yeah, inshallah. We will do prayer, Jummah prayer there.
Yeah.
I think Abror John sent me that photo, right? That big photo.
Yeah.
I think I have that photo. It's I like this masjid. It's very beautiful. I think this masjid. Can you see this masjid?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's very beautiful masjid. I want to do prayer there, inshallah. Okay, so any questions now? Can we stop the meeting?
Yes, we can stop.
Okay, so okay then, all the best. Take care of yourself. Okay, pray for all the Muslim all around the world. Take care of yourself. Be care with the coronavirus.
You too. Take care of yourself. Stay
Thank-
safe.
Okay, all the best. We will see you
Thank
soon.
you.
And be ready for our work. We will give a lot of work. You learn many technology from us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Many things you can learn. I think I have sent you lot of my training photos with Abror John. Please send to your students in WhatsApp or Telegram.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, then bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye.